Welcome to Woodnewton house. On the side of the porch to the right hand side is a lockbox with the keys in it. The back garden is large, plenty of grass and a lovely place to relax on the patio. The garden can be locked at the back gate and parking off-road is outside the garage on the other side of the back gate. The kitchen is very well equipped and should have all the things you need. There is a tumble dryer, a washing machine, a freezer and a dishwasher. The fridge should have plenty of water in there and some milk for a cup of tea or coffee. Help yourself, nothing needs to be replaced. Help yourself to tea, coffee that is in the cupboard. Should be plenty of cutlery, placemats, tablecloths. There is a downstairs water closet. The sitting room is large and comfortable and there is Netflix available on the TV. Please use the account labelled JD or John. The house has 3 bedrooms. It's a double bedroom with an ensuite. These beds can be joined up to make a super king. There is of course no smoking in the house, but smoking is fine in the patio area where there is an ashtray. The main family bathroom upstairs has a large walk-in shower. Please help yourself to the toiletries on the shelf. They're available and do not need to be replaced. Bedroom 2 is also a twin bedroom with its own sink and mirror. And bedroom 3 has a specially constructed wardrobe behind the door and itself has a recessed sink and mirror and vanity unit. And the most important thing is make yourself at home and enjoy your stay.